Booking the cheapest flight often requires some flexibility, timing, and a bit of strategy. Here are some tips to help you secure the best deal. 1. Use flight search engines. Compare prices across multiple flight search engines, e.g., Google Flights, Skyscanner, Kayak, Momondo, and Hopper, to find the lowest fares. Set up price alerts on these platforms, which will notify you when prices drop for your desired route. 2. Be flexible with your travel dates. Avoid peak travel times like weekends, holidays, and school vacation periods. Flying on weekdays, especially Tuesdays and Wednesdays, often results in cheaper fares. Look for flights at off-peak times, e.g. early morning or late night, as these are usually cheaper. 3. Book in advance. Book early, typically between 3 weeks and 2 months in advance for domestic flights and 2 to 6 months in advance for international flights, to get the best deals. 4. Use incognito or private browsing mode. Flight prices can increase if you repeatedly search for the same route. To avoid this, use incognito mode or clear your browser cookies before booking. Check for nearby airports. If you're flying to a major city, check nearby airports to see if flying into a less crowded airport can save money. 6. Consider budget airlines. Budget carriers like Southwest, Ryanair, EasyJet, or Spirit often have significantly lower fares than full-service airlines, but keep in mind they may charge for baggage, seat selection, and other services. 7. Use airline miles or points. If you have credit card rewards or frequent flyer miles, use them to book your flight or reduce the cost. 8. Check for discounted flights. Look for last-minute deals or flash sales directly on airline websites or third-party sites. Some websites, like Secret Flying, share discounted tickets and error fares. 9. Try booking round-trip or multi-city. Sometimes booking a round-trip flight or adding an extra stop, multi-city, can be cheaper than booking one-way flights. 10. Check different currency options. Occasionally, airlines offer cheaper fares in different currencies. If you're booking on an international airline, see if paying in another currency offers a better deal.